Okay, Brom, here is your 2S whoop. And it's going to come like this with this module attached to the receiver cable. Okay, so it's all red like you wanted. You got red motors, red props, red camera mount, red battery holders. You got the Super S stack, CM275T. For the receiver, I went with the Orange RX R111XN. I had to take the wires off of it and make my own plug for it because it didn't come with a plug. It just came with straight wires to a plug. So I needed to make my own plug. So I made one like this that plugs into the module. So that way you can do the module real quick. And then I used this kind of plug on the flight controller. So that way when you're done binding it, you can just take this plug and plug it right into here. And then you're good to go. So let me show you. I haven't done this yet, so hopefully it works. Let me grab my radio. And get it bound here. Okay, so that'll work for that. Alright, so you take your power input, use my battery bank, you can use your phone charger or a computer, whatever. Plug it into the module. And the receiver's in bind mode. You can see it's flashing there. So then I'll take my radio, hold the bind button, turn it on, hold it a couple feet away.
Binding. DSMX 11 milliseconds. Bind complete.
And it's bound. The receiver LED is solid now, so it's bound. So you can turn the power off to the module, turn your radio off, unplug this module, take this plug. You might need to use a pair of pliers or something to hold this plug. You might not need to, but I will. Let's see, it goes this way. And then you can just tuck the wire in. Damn it, maybe I won't use pliers. Get in there, I do need pliers. Alright, so that's plugged in, then you can tuck it all in. I don't really want to tuck it in right now because I gotta... Oops, and I should have made it come through the other side of the standoff. But you get the idea. Plug it in, then you can tuck it all in. So let's... now you can turn on the radio. Wait till it's on. Plug in one side of the battery cable. Plug in the other side. And you can see the LED on the receiver solid. So let's see if it arms. Of course not. Let's see what we got here. Let's take it to the computer and see what's going on. Okay, we're at the computer. We're going to plug in the USB. My radio is still on. Connect. And we'll see here, go to receiver tab. And it doesn't look like I have any controls, so maybe I have the wrong port. I think it's UART1 that it's supposed to be on. So change it to UART1, save and reboot. Connect, go back to the receiver tab. Yep, now I have controls. So if I move my radio controls, those move. Okay, so now it'll arm. So I can disconnect. Take the USB out. Plug the battery back in. And it should arm now. Yep. Alright, so let me turn the camera around and we'll see how she flies. Alright, here we go. Not bad. Woo! Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. It's kind of drifting around a little bit, so I'm going to try to tune it a little bit. It's kind of drifting a little bit, so I'll give it a little bit of a tune, but you might need to tune it more. But there you go, Brom. Enjoy your red 2S whoop.